Listening for some noise coming from the back. This is the back of fridge. So the noise was coming from this area, which is probably a fan area. The other thing you can do is on top of the Samsung fridge, switch on the fridge again, and this is about 5 minutes on both sides, and the noise level is negligible. Thank you. Listening for some noise coming from the back. There are screws, 5 of them. We need to get them out. So the back panels are still sticky because of the ice. You need them to be defrosted before you take them out. So you can speed up the process by using the top panel was attached. After the screw comes off, this just goes off. Wire attached, this plugs off. Back fan compartment which needs to come off as well. So this is with the screws on top, and when it comes off there's a wire attached which needs to be taken off. An easier way to do it is just press it, pull it down, it comes off. So then this is already clean, but there was lots of ice behind it. This needs to be cleaned. It's a bottom compartment, which again is clean now, but it was full of ice. First thing you need to do is put the screw back, which is behind the fan. Like this. Already done. This is a top compartment which we took off early. So this bottom will be covered and the top will be covered. So again it's attached with a small wire on top, which you can see there. It just plugs in like a wire before. So and then it fits in with the screw. So all screws are fit in, and now what we'll do is we'll switch it on and see whether the noise is reduced or not. Switch on the fridge again, and